Okay, I'm going to ride in 2 circles.
What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Huh?
Tell me what your name is.
My name is Mackenzie Elton, and I'm going to ride all those, well, maybe three circles around that loop. Super fast. And this is how I'm going to be using the brakes. Keep one foot on the ground. Start slow. Keep it. Then boom! And that's how you do it. And my name is Mackenzie Jane Elton. Okay, I'm in half. That's going to be 4. Bumpy road. And that's how you do it. And when you're done, don't forget to slam those brakes, but don't slam it hard. And if you don't have one of, just make sure you don't do it. If you have one of these right here, make sure your bike's on the ground. And then you pull that when it's on the ground like this. But if you don't do what I just did, just set it on the ground, right? Carefully. And I'm going to turn my bike around. Then, see, right here, gotta make sure it's like that. And then you clean it that way. And that's how you do it when you're done.